Canada can claim partial credit for a state-of-the-art weapon that is proving to be extraordinarily effective at destroying Russian formations in eastern Ukraine. Last week, Russian forces lost an entire battalion after it attempted to cross Ukraine's Seversky Donets River on a pontoon bridge. More than 100 vehicles and tanks are estimated to have been destroyed, and up to 1,000 troops are believed to have been killed or wounded. Over the weekend, a Russian ammunition depot near the city of Izium was virtually evaporated, destroying a tank and up to 7 armored personnel carriers. In both cases, one of the weapons reported to be responsible was an M777 Howitzer, a towed artillery piece capable of firing a roughly 100-pound shell. In late April, Canada donated at least 4 of its M777s to Ukraine in order to answer a call by the country's armed forces for heavier weapons to help overrun Russian-held positions in the country's east. The United States sent 90 of the guns and even coordinated the air shipment of Canada's 4 Howitzers. Australia has sent 6. Although the gun looks about the same as towed artillery pieces from the time of the Second World War, the M777 is so new that it only entered U.S. service starting in 2005. Compared to the Russians, who primarily use inaccurate Soviet-era artillery, the M777 is renowned for firing farther and with pinpoint accuracy. Firing a standard M795 projectile, an M777 can shoot up to 30 kilometers away, farther than most of the Russian artillery stationed in Ukraine's east. Canada also reportedly sent Ukraine an undisclosed number of Excalibur rounds, computer-controlled artillery shells that can guide themselves to a predetermined target. After being fired, tiny wings spring out of the Excalibur, which then steer it to its destination using GPS data. At just 9,500 pounds, the gun is also way lighter than conventional heavy artillery. The Canadian Department of Defense notes that its other howitzer, the M109, weighs 50,000 pounds. If an army needed to, it could technically tow one of them with nothing more than factory-spec Ford F-150. According to reporting by CBC, the 4 M777s came from the stockpiles of the 1st Regiment, Royal Canadian Horse Artillery, based in Shiloh, Man. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.